Orlando Asphalt Paving Company. Orlando Asphalt Paving Company is the best place for high-quality asphalt paving services. Our company has been in business for years. We have a long history of providing quality asphalt services to our customers in the Orlando, Florida area. We use only the latest equipment and techniques to ensure that we do your paving project correctly and to your satisfaction. By hiring our team for your asphalt paving needs, we guarantee you these benefits. Licensed and insured. Highly experienced paving contractors. Top-of-the-line paving materials. High-quality workmanship. Fair pricing. Free estimate. Whether you need new asphalt pavement installed or you need an existing asphalt pavement repaired or resurfaced, we can help. We provide various asphalt paving services including asphalt paving, driveway paving, parking lot paving, seal coating, striping and pothole repair. No matter what your asphalt services needs are, we at Orlando Asphalt Paving Company got you covered. Call or send us a message online and get a free estimate today. Orlando Asphalt Paving Company, Orlando, Florida 407-974-5558 https://www.orlandoasphaltpavingcompany.com